Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Exam Study Zone. So friends, here are some common terms and concepts used in retail management which I have going to discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So friends, first one is SKU, means stock keeping unit. A stock keeping unit is a unique identifier assigned to each product and service that can be purchased. SKUs are used to track inventory and sales, manage stock levels, and assist in ordering and replenishment. Each SKU represents a specific item, including details such as size, color, style, and other attributes, making it easier for retailers to organize and manage their inventory. Second one is POS, means point of sale. The location where a transaction occurs. POS systems often include the hardware and software used to complete sales. Third one is inventory turnover, a measure of how often inventory is sold and replaced over a certain period. It's calculated by dividing the cost of goods sold by the average inventory. Fourth one is gross margin. What is that? The difference between sales and the cost of goods sold. It indicates how much profit a company makes after accounting for the cost of products sold. Fifth one is shrinkage, the loss of inventory due to factors such as theft, damage, or administrative errors. Sixth one is planogram, a diagram or model that indicates the placement of retail products on shelves to maximize sales. Seventh one is foot traffic, the number of customers who enter a store. High foot traffic can indicate a popular location and is crucial for sales. Eighth one is markdown, a reduction in the selling price of goods typically used to clear out old inventory or increase sales. Ninth one is e-commerce, the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. It's a critical component of modern retail strategies. Tenth one is merchandising, the process of planning and promoting the sale of products, including display techniques and product selection. Next one is omni-channel retailing, a seamless approach to the consumer experience through all available shopping channels such as online, mobile, and in-store. So friends, next one is CRM, means customer relationship management. What is that? Strategies and technologies used by companies to manage and analyze customer interactions and data throughout the customer life cycle. Next one is loss leader, a product sold at a low price or below cost to attract customers to a store where they are likely to purchase other goods. Next one is back order, an order for a product that is temporarily out of stock and will be delivered when available. Last one is just-in-time inventory, means an inventory management strategy where materials are ordered and received only as they are needed in the production process, reducing inventory costs. So friends, these terms cover various aspects of retail management from inventory and sales to customer interaction and merchandising. So if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a good day.